Hey guys, I want to show you another setup for our Milwaukee 8 here. Vance and Hines was nice enough to supply us with the full intake, exhaust, and tuner for this setup. What we're going to start with right here is the VO2 intake, or the Rouge as well. What we've got included in this is our actual intake right here, allowing us to increase the airflow into our engine. And also that's a big upgrade from the OEM, but it also gives us that look and that appeal that we're going after with this all blacked out theme. Along with the intake, you get your handy dandy instructions. Always put those on the top of your toolbox drawer and keep those for reference in the future along with your service manual. Additionally, with the Stage 1 kit, after upgrading your intake, you're going to get to your exhaust. We've got another Vance and Hines setup here with the power duals. You'll see the heat shields here as well. And then we have our Eliminator 400 dual pipes. We actually have two of these here. Now with this setup, it's kind of self-explanatory for the most part, but there are a few things to be careful of. Keep in mind that you want to keep these chrome pipes clear of debris and fingerprints along the way before putting those heat shields on. Otherwise, you're going to have some permanent fingerprints or obscurities on those pipes as well. Including with this is, again, your instructions with the power dual setups, and then also your Eliminator tips as well. Now, what would it be if we didn't have the final third step? To tie it all together, we've got the Vance and Hines fuel pack right here. We can't just do the intake and exhaust without mapping the system again to get the full performance that we want out of the bike. After going after the cosmetic, we got to make sure we have the performance as well. So intake, exhaust, and then the tuner. This is a 6-pin connector, and we're going to take you through the install and step by step with tips and tricks along the way.